Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This gonna be a quick and easy and simple recipe. Okay, what are we making?
Popcorn chicken.
Yes, and I have a little helper here with me today because this is for him. So here I have one chicken breast that I have cut in half and then cube and washed it with some vinegar. These are the sizes that I have here, not that big. So before we get started, I'm gonna add some, do you know what this is? Olive oil.
We're going to put some olive oil in that chicken.
Okay, do you know why we're putting the olive oil?
I don't remember on that show.
Okay, we're putting the olive oil because we want our seasoning to stick to our chicken, okay?
Yeah, like this.
Okay, so we're just gonna massage in that
Mommy,
olive oil all over our chicken breast.
Mommy, what that thing?
Okay, these are seasoning.
But what they're called?
Seasoning. So here I have my seasoning. I have some onion powder, garlic powder, ginger, paprika, salt, black pepper, some Old Bay, lemon pepper, and some Slap Your Mom. I'm going in with all of that.
I'm going in with all of that.
Yes.
Yes.
So do you want to mix it in?
Yes, Mommy.
Okay. Come.
Okay. This is really hard.
Good job. Keep mixing. Okay, so this is our chicken right here. We're going to set it aside and get our flour mixture that we're going to dip it in ready.
I'm Papa.
Okay, so our chicken has been sitting for a while. And I have my egg bat and my flour. I have seasoned my flour with the same seasoning that I used to season my chicken earlier with. So we're going to dip our chicken in the flour, then the egg, then back in the flour, and then we're going to set it aside for a while. So we're just going to put a few pieces at a time. We're going to shake it off as much as possible, dip it in our egg. I'm just showing you guys a few. And then once it's in our egg, mix that wrong. And shake it off. Then back into the flour for a second time. And then we're gonna set it aside before we drop it in our oil. And what are we gonna have with these popcorn chicken?
Into popcorn.
What are we gonna eat with them?
French fries.
Yummy.
And they change.
It's counting down. So this is it, guys. We're gonna set it aside, then into our oil, and I'll show you guys that. So here we have our chicken in our oil. I just dropped them in all at once, and we're just gonna let them do their thing for a minute before we start moving them around.
I dropped them in because I don't want to get popped.
They're not popping. Look at that, our popcorn chicken. We're just going to let it go for about 5-6 more minutes, and then we're going to serve it with some yummy sauce and french fries. So I took my chicken out the fryer. As you can see, it is crispy. As you can see, our chickens are yummy, crusty. The oil are being drained off of it. And this is an up close view of this one. It's crispy, falling apart, and inside is still juicy, warm, and yummy. You hear that? Yummy. Crunchy. How do you like your popcorn chicken?
It's good. It's good.
Stay tuned for our plating. So here is our plated finished product. I made some dipping sauce here with a mixture of some other sauce. And we have some steak fries, which we bought from the store and just put in the oven. So here it is, guys. I hope this view is better. Popcorn chicken nuggets. This are so yummy and delicious.